Here we look at 8 impressive but terrifying cases of ancient surgery, from rhinoplasty to leg surgery, dental implants, and brain surgery, in some cases dating back an incredible 11,000 years. Ancient cranial surgery, practice of drilling holes in the cranium found in dozens of skulls in Peru. In 2012, archaeologists excavating burial caves in the south-central Andean province of Andahuaylas in Peru discovered the remains of 32 individuals dating back between 750 and 1,000 years and, incredibly, they found evidence of 45 separate surgical procedures on the skulls of the individuals. Cranial surgery, known as trephination, is one of the first ever surgical practices and is known to have begun in the Neolithic era. It involves drilling a hole in the skull of a living person to cure illness such as convulsions, headaches, infections or fractures. The skulls found in Peru show evidence that sections of the cranium were removed using a hand drill or a scraping tool. Some of the remains showed evidence of their hair having been shaved and a herbal remedy placed over the wound, which all point to the fact that this was an attempt to heal sick or injured individuals. From jewel-capped teeth to golden bridges, 9,000 years of dentistry. Dentistry, in some form or another, has been practiced for at least 9,000 years, although tooth extraction and remedies for toothaches probably go back much further. The study of ancient remains from around the world has demonstrated the ingenuity that existed in the application of surgical and cosmetic dental practices going back many millennia. The Indus Valley Civilization has yielded evidence for the earliest form of dentistry, which dates back to 7000 BC. Sites in Pakistan have revealed dental practices involving curing tooth-related disorders with bow drills operated, perhaps, by skilled bead craftsmen. The reconstruction of this ancient form of dentistry showed that the methods used were reliable and effective. 2,000-years-old trepanation surgery in ancient Siberia. In February 2015, Russian scientists examined ancient human skulls and tested bronze tools on a modern skull to see how doctors in Siberia more than 2,000 years ago performed brain surgery on 3 adults. It is still unknown what anesthetic, if any, was used to dull the pain during the surgery. The researchers believe the surgeries were carried out using the same principles as those found in the Hippocratic corpus, which requires strict adherence to medical ethics and techniques. Hippocrates wrote the oath around 500 BC. The ancient doctor or doctors who performed the surgeries did them at a location on the skull that minimized damage to the brain and assured longer survival. Remarkably, it appears one of the men lived for years after the trepanation surgery because some of the bone grew back. Archaeologists discover 2,300-year-old dental implant in Iron Age burial chamber. A study in May 2014 revealed the discovery of an Iron Age tooth implant among the remains of a Celtic woman in northern France. The implant is the oldest of its kind discovered in Western Europe. The finding was made in a 2,300-year-old richly furnished burial chamber in Le Chêne, France. The iron implant, which is the same size and shape as incisors from her upper jaw, was found alongside the rest of her teeth. It is believed that the iron pin was covered with a wooden or ivory carved tooth.